Hello, in this walkthrough I will show how to automate filling out medical report for Canada Pension Plan Disability Benefits with Instafill.ai. So I have the form itself and a sample data set that contains some information needed to fill out this form. Let's start. The process, as usual, is simple. We upload the form to Instafill. Then on the next screen we have a couple of options. We can use the Input tab to copy and paste the information needed to fill out this form, or we can use a Files tab. Here we can upload any document, Word, Excel, PDF, or even images or scans to Instafill. So let's upload my document, my sample, and click Submit. Now, while the form is filling out, let's take a closer look at my document. So I did some investigation about what the form is, how it works. I read the guide just to understand how it works. And I generated a sample document using AI. So it's a simple CSV document that contains a field name column and the value column. Here we generated a random data that is needed to fill out the form. So let's wait a few seconds while Instafill is filling it out. It usually takes from 20 to 30 seconds to up to a minute. It depends on the form length. This form contains 10 pages, so we should probably wait a couple more seconds. And here we go. The form is already filled. I just wanted to say that from what I learned, the section 1 and 2 of the form must be filled by an applicant or a patient, and sections from 3 to 9 are usually filled by a doctor or nurse practitioner. So anyway, and based on these facts, I generated the data, sample data. So anyway, let's review the form and how it was filled out. So as you can see, each field and even each bullets or checkboxes are filled according to my generated data. If we check it out again, we can see that I choose preferred language English, SIN. So all these fields and all the data is correct and placed as well accurately. So by the way, from what I learned, social insurance number is required to be placed on every form page, and Instafill did this job as well. We can see the SIN on every page. So again, while reviewing the other data, I can confirm that we have high accuracy. I would say the highest possible accuracy, because 100% of my data is absolutely correctly placed into the form. So it would be great if we could have the real data. If you could provide us with the real data, we could test the form with the real data just to compare the results. But I'm quite sure the results is going to be 100% accurate as well. So the next step is to download the form and review it with any PDF viewer. We can print it, we can send it by email, etc. Thank you. I hope that helped.